So today we need to talk about the update method in Spring Boot. Suppose we are working less time in address. Yeah, I have the class address here, also the controller and the service. Remember, I have the address with the ID and city, and also as controller I create two function method with one was to get all the addresses and another method with post method. Now I need to update the method. Okay, we need to create a same function from here. Let's copy it directly and paste it here. What I need, okay, let's put now this in source at the block comment and save it. Go to the main method. Run in Java application. So now with localhost, and see welcome, and then slash. So I have just one address, add one with ID and city equal Berlin. Suppose I have multiple list here. Let's do it like this here. Example in addresses control, sorry, in addresses surface, we need to add another one. This address is 2. This address is 3. Add 2. Add 3. Okay, let's say it's same here, just add 1, 2, and 3. And then again to run as a application, Java application. Okay, then check again the localhost with addresses. So I have ID1, ID2, ID3. Suppose I need to update this. I need to update the city. For example, like Berlin to Beirut or to Erfurt or to something else, or I need to add to change the ID. Okay. Now from address controller, this source remove block. I need to make public void because we don't need to return anything. Oh, here it's here. what I need here, I need to with the value with ID y, because I need with specific ID to update something, and the function also, example, like can make an update uh, addresses. I will check what I need to put inside the function, example, and also the method dot. You can see here delete get head option pass post put trace, but we don't have update. It's a put method. This is the update in Spring Boot. So here, sorry, we need to delete this here. With the request body, I need to send the addresses with address, okay, and also what I need to send. Let's fix this before. Just here I add the import. Yes, okay. Or an addresses. Also, we need a string ID, but with the string ID also I need sample add what pass variable. Yes, you can just control space. You can see the pass variable here, and with this function I need to send it the addresses and also the ID. So we can create this in service. So here the first I need to check from the local host. I need to start the first to check if the ID, example add one, and here I send the ID, example add 2. Yeah, I need to update add 2. So in the first I need to get a bucket just to know in which ID I need to focus just to update the method, the address. So we can take a bucket 4 and I equal 0 from I equal less than or for the addresses here. This is all the three list inside this, so can take it addresses dot size and I plus plus. Now what I need to do, I need to say it's the addresses L or add address one, example, equal new new sorry, no, here I need to make the addresses here. Yes, address, what address equal example address 1 equal add to get So create an address one. This address dot get with I equals 0. It's focused about the first one. When I equal 1, it's focused for the next list, and when I equal 3, it's focused for the third list. So now in the address when I equal 0, it's focused the address 1 here. It's about address. It means ads dot get 0. It means the list 1. The list 1. So the list 1, if what I need to do, address 1 dot get ID. If the get ID for address 1, example now address 1, it's like it's about this address 1. I need to tell for address 1, if the ID for address 1, it means add 1 equal here address 1 dot get ID. I can directly select the get ID. So I have add 1 now dot equal to ID here. If is the same, because this ID I need to update it. It's mean I say add 2, yeah. Here add 2. I need to update this method. If it's equal, what I need to do, if it's equal, I need to do addresses dot set with index and with address. The index equal I and the address equal address 1. So save it. Okay, now go to Spring Boot again, stop the server and run again with Java application. Okay, it's on in 8080, so let's check now the addresses. Okay, we have add 1, add 2, add 3. Now I need to update. We'll open the postman. Let's just wait to open the postman. And now in the postman we can check here for the addresses. Okay, sorry, here we are in the addresses and click send. So we have add 1, add 2, add 3, add 1, add 2, add 3. So with we need to create another method with put to update and send the same ID in the controller. If you remember this ID slash ID, also example add 2, because here in the add 2 in the addresses we need to update this. So suppose ID equal to, and also we need to send a request body. So how can we expect a request body withdraw, and also we can make this let's copy this here and put it in put method. Body. Suppose ID equal 5 now. Okay. And here payload. Still a two. Just need to change the setting. And also with the headers, I need to content type. With value application JSON. Now we can send a message. Send. Yes, don't return anything because it's void. It's a void method. And the problem here, add ID. Okay. Now I have a problem here. The method update address string is undefined for the type address services. Update addresses is here. Okay, maybe it's not wrong. Just let's see what's happening because it's working here. Okay, go to get now to see if it's updated or not. Just send again. To Berlin, no, it's not sending. So, okay, now for the put again is body. Okay. So what we don't need here. Okay, ID pivot. Send again. Request module. It's a get. Okay. Send them. Whoa. To pivot here. Berlin. Okay, with the string, let's put add and ID, put add and ID, yeah, I think I know what's the problem here. Now it's updating, but I put the set this address, so I need to take this because this I need to set is a new one. Ctrl S, stop the server again. Java application. Again, go now to postman to get method and then sending it. We have three here ID. Okay, three addresses. Now with the put method with add2, just need to change the add2, and then with let's here because the city is Berlin. Now I changed the city, but I fixed same ID. Send them again. status 200. Now again go to get and then click send. Yes, it's a payload. Now if example we change also the ID. For and send it 200, go to get again, then select send at 4. Yeah, so this is the update. Next video we can work with delete method. See you for next video.